Brad Hall here, and on today's show, I've got the Yeezy QNTM Barium. I'll tell you all about the shoe. I'll compare it to the first colorway of the QNTM. Then later on, I've got a trend alert. I'm gonna show you how to wear this shoe, just like Kanye does. This is the second colorway of Kanye's basketball shoe. It's tough to follow up that first colorway, but I think this one, it does a really nice job. It's a shoe you definitely appreciate more in person. You see all the subtleties on this main section of the upper, this kind of grayish section. It's actually got almost an olive tint to it. The suede toe piece is kind of like a slate, but it's got a bluish tint to it. So you've got some nice subtlety with the color on the upper. This one also does have some reflective elements on the heel, of course, but then it looks like it's woven into that knit upper. It gives it a really gentle sheen when you use that flash. The Barium colorway seems to mix the lifestyle and performance models of the first colorway. The base is pretty much the lifestyle. You've got the same ankle and tongue area, but then it does incorporate one element from that performance version. It's got the plasticky cage on the side. It's always nice when there are small changes between colorways on a model. It makes each one feel that much more special. So this Barium colorway, it is a solid follow-up to that first colorway. A really nice looking shoe. I'm always scrolling through the internet, keeping my eye out for the latest trends, and I've got a good one to share with you today. Earlier in the year, I showed you how the first colorway of the Yeezy QNTM really looks good with any type of pants. That's still true, but now that this model's been out for a while, I am noticing certain ways people are styling this shoe, and it seems to be driven largely by Kanye. There have been a lot of photos of Kanye wearing pants that have a split down at that hem, only a couple inches, but those couple inches are very significant. It makes the pants kind of flare open. This makes a lot of sense with the Yeezy basketball model because it is a chunky shoe. You want to accommodate that chunkiness with a roomy bottom. Now, I wanted to experiment with this look, so I took one of my go-to pairs of pants. I altered them a bit. I cut a small slit in that hem, just down the side, maybe a couple inches. So I am gonna show you a before and an after. That pair of pants went from being okay to just totally being the perfect pair of pants for this shoe. It's amazing what that slight difference made. So that's my trend alert for you. If you want to experiment on your own pair of pants using scissors, please be careful, and thanks for watching.